People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.